Building a community around your content is a great way to build trust, loyalty, raving fans, and generate more revenue. Sounds great, right? It is! So in this video, we're going to guide you through some of the best ways of building a community around your course. Number 1. Find a platform to easily connect your students. Once you've created a course, finding a place where your students can easily congregate is important. The good news is that with so many social media platforms now allowing group creation, finding a place where your students are already congregating is easier than ever before. You might have already guessed it, but Facebook groups are a no-brainer, with 23% of the world's population using Facebook on a daily basis. Chances are your students already have an account and are active. Other great platform options which are free are Discord, Slack, and WhatsApp. Number 2. Make your students the hero. What makes some of the greatest brands in the world so great is that their customers are at the center of their product. A common mistake we see is that people focus solely on their brand before considering what their audience actually thinks, wants, and needs. And when you've created a course that is student-centric, you can easily include students within your community by allowing them to share their ideas, critical thinking, and celebration of one another. When you allow your students to express themselves as they learn, they get a sense of involvement and you generate valuable real-time feedback. Number 3. Create a purposeful mission for your students. A powerful way to create a community of learners is to connect your course to a purposeful mission. Although this can sound difficult, it doesn't have to be. Once you've identified your students' wants and needs, creating a clear journey from one point to another within your messaging is a simple way to create a mission for your students. A practical example could look something like, build a meaningful brand in just 60 days. And lastly, number 4, get involved and don't be afraid to go live. Now that you've created a course that aligns with your audience, found a great platform for your students to connect, and they have a purposeful mission, it's time for you to get involved. This may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Keep it simple by posting regularly. Whether it's just to say hi or post a thought, your students will feel closer to your brand when they see your involvement. This next part isn't crucial, but adds unspeakable value to your existing content, and that's to go live. When you go live and speak candidly, your students will feel closer to you, further building trust for both yourself and the brand you've built. And that wraps up our video for today. Have you found some other ways of building a great community for your course? We'd love to hear from you in the comments. And for more info about Archy, head to archylearning.com. See ya!